not a lady. It's terrible. She has beautiful eyes and her hair smells like cinnamon. I don't know what we're yelling about. Loud noises. Loud noises.
Hey, nice clothes, gentlemen. I didn't know the Salvation Army was having a sale.
Hey! Where did you get those clothes? At the toilet store?